Backing 632 cubic inches of thoroughbred Nelson racing engine with a tough Tremec 5-speed and proven Detroit speed athletics, this tastefully modified 69 Camaro turns a traditionally appealing platform into an off-the-chart superstar. Professionally finished by some of Charlotte's best hot rod shops, this fantastic F-body wears a traditional coat of Hugger Orange 2-stage that's been worked to near perfection. Under that pigment, solid body panels align well, presenting the kind of fit and finish that's common on high-level builds, and that alignment serves as an excellent canvas for pearl white rally stripes. The Chevy's tastefully customized cockpit is tailored and tall. Front and center, Recaro-style buckets stretch monochromatic leather under Simpson harnesses. A traditional dash frames bright autometer gauges beside modern Alpine audio and controls for modern air conditioning. A custom full-length console centers a digital air fuel readout in front of a short Tremec shifter, and a tilting column spins a Flaming River steering wheel. Featuring a dart block and Brodix heads, the 632 cubic inch V8 built by Nelson Racing Engines produces 820 horsepower and 770 pound-feet of torque. Managing all of that power is a McCloy twin-disc clutch and a Tremec TKO 5-speed that spins a Dana 60. Combining incredible performance with timeless aesthetics and an athletic demeanor, this killer custom puts the class in world-class Pro Tour. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.